Jonga mfundi, kulena video we are going to calculate the normal force. What is a normal force? Is a force that a surface exerts on an object in contact with it and it's perpendicular to the surface. So uyabona ukuthi uncamathele kule surface, which means there is a normal force ke ngokulutho. Le surface will exert a force kule 2 kg block, okay? So a surface ipusha i-object uba mayinyuke, so la force siyibiza uba yi-normal force, ipushe uba mayinyuke, that is a normal force. Okay, so sibe nayo force ekhona kuzo zonke object which is a weight. Alright, then xa ucalculate ngoyi-normal force, okokuqala you have to draw a force diagram or a free body diagram. So a free body diagram yethu phaa, we can have the weight, then sibe normal force, sibe nala force iyakwela cala phaa, which is force applied. Then i-bullet imele u-2 kg, ime endaweni ye-object. So then xa sibala ke ngoku i-normal force funeka sijonge eza forces vertical. Umzekelo zezi forces ezi-vertical, u-normal force no-weight. Then ayikho lapha because this one is just horizontal. Leni horizontal, leni vertical, leni vertical. Sizojonga ezi zi-vertical, just by normal force. Which means in this case, normal force izolingana ne-weight. Ii-forces ezinyukayo zilingana nee-forces ezehlayo. Sitsho sibale normal force. I-weight siyayazi uba xa siyibala sithi mg. Then imese ngu-2 pha times 9,8. So sitsho sifumane phaa 19,6 newtons. Which means i-normal force yethu phaa 19,6 newtons xa i-force applied ime ngola hlobo, okay? Then let's change with the force applied. What will happen if we change the force applied? Siyitshintshe kuba horizontal, isilande at an angle, but sengu-10 newtons, but it is at an angle of 30 degrees. So xa sele ngoku kula angle 30 degrees, which means thina funeke siqale sidile ne-component. Izoba ne-vertical component ne-horizontal component. So sitsho sizibhale ezi component, nazi ii-components zayo. Xa isilantile zoba ii-components, a vertical component, that is Fy, and a horizontal